Clank and I are in position and ready to commence Operation Falling Star.
Copy that. You're clear to move in. I'll monitor your position from here.
I do have a lot of bolts. I'm saving.
Mr. Zircon would like you to upgrade him.
Yo, Mr. Zircon asked. Mr. Zircon gets it.
I'll give you a good deal on that one.
Oh, nice. Okay, we're gonna go boom, boom, boom. Bang. Oh, he can shoot from farther away. That's good. Actually, I enjoy the Groovatron. The Groovatron, it was before Fortnite, I want to say. Because this is based on a game that's like 10 years old. But,
Get your groove on with your Groovatron.
oh, I guess I don't really care about that. Yeah, I can just do that. Yeah. Groovatron. What's the first step here? Find the top secret blarg or journey outside the airlock. We have to go down first. But I think we end up having to do both missions anyway, so who cares?
Perhaps
Yeah.
the trespasser will be useful here.
Yeah, it will. We know this. This is pretty easy. We can't do... Oh yeah, I forgot this one has a blocker to it. Oh no, we can't do that. Boom. It gets really complicated later. But for now, we're good. And I think you can, like, auto-hack. But that's no fun. At least not in the beginning.
Attention scientists!
Oh.
Chairman Drake here.
Get out of here. There it is, 10.
Hard work these last few months. I may be your leader, but I am nothing without the tenacious Clark here at his facility.
Yep. We're fine.
The beginning of a glorious
We have Mr. Zircon.
our time.
Mr. Zircon is always dancing. Yes, you are. Get him.
All available units, go to research.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Mr. Zircon. Here. This is good for this.
My attention that we may have an intruder at the facility.
You're welcome.
If you come across anyone who is not a blarg, please feel free to kill them.
Not allowed. See, yeah, it's a lot more complicated. So you see, this one has to go here because it's blocked by everything else. This one has to go there. Well, I guess that wasn't that complicated.
Doing great, Ratchet. Keep going. I'll be with you every step of the... Oh, come on! He was out of bounds. Open your eyes, ref.
Open your eyes, ref. Get out of here. Fine, let's go this way. And this is just like the tower we did before. We just have to climb up. Up and at him. Crawling through the vent. These crawlers will not heal. Up. Good job, Mr. Zircon. I got to focus on a moving, and they attacked.
What is all this? It appears Chairman Drek has been growing his own army.
I'm surprised he's not making us call him Supreme Executive Chairman Drek.
Jack, do you wish to take a nap too, Lombax?
Oh, Mr. Zircon, I'm not the one dying every 10 minutes. I have to keep calling your ass back in. Here, we have to kill these things, so... Okay,
Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you.
got that one. Let's get this one. This one's a little bit stronger. Not that strong, though. We're doing fine. But we had to kill both of those to open up the little thingamajig. This is good, though. See, Mr. Zircon, the real bitch here. Trying to call us weak. I call shenanigans on that. No. We are way better. Significantly better. Yep. Yep, Drek Industries, Megatron, Gadgetech. What are we doing here?
Feel free to voice
Go.
your to one of the armed murderous warbots currently patrolling the halls. Before your safety.
Every time for him or her.
Him or herself, okay. Yep.
Come in. It looks like Drek has been experimenting on creatures.
It'll take more than a few bugs to scare off Captain Quark. There are spiders. Are there spiders? No, I'll never get comfortable in this bed. Mission control, where I'm
In this bed.
bringing you from.
Mission control. Get out of here, Quark. No one likes you. That's why you're in jail. I've said it once, I've said it twice. We need more Mr. Zircon. I agree. Get him, Mr. Zircon. I'll leave that for you. Boom. Got him. Mr. Zircon. I'm running out of ammo for you, Mr. Zircon. You need to either level up or give me some ammo.
I've recently learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857P Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857P Echo is not a pet, and should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
That's funny, though. Oh, Mr. Zircon. Mr. Zircon, you need to be stronger. Here. That thing kind of looks like Captain Quark. Crappy Captain Quark, but still Quark nonetheless. Oh, Mr. Zircon, I could use your help. Come on. Get you. And then we can heal ourselves at the Gadgetron thing. Which is dead on what we need. Oh, and I just ran out of ammo. Perfect. Fill it all. Again, it seems weird that I haven't bought those guns yet. I'm saving. I need to keep reiterating that because I forget sometimes why I haven't bought the weapons. Here we go. Let's trespass. Let's get in there. Stick to 3 and go. Oh, it doesn't work. Actually, you like that. Just like that. Boom.
That vendor might have some new weapons.
I already did that. Oh, this looks like a boss fight. Looks like I could put a boss fight here.
Attention intruder. You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian Snagglebeast. Chairman Alonzo Trek thanks you for your sacrifice.
We got this.
Captain, did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian Snagglebeast?
Yes, I wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry, just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me?
Yeah, for real. Captain Quark didn't teach us gosh diddly dick.
Oh boy.
Yeah, that's pretty good though.
Initiate phase 1.
In phase 1, get Mr. Zircon out there. Phase 2.
Uploading ground pound protocol.
Okay. This is fine. I'm glad you're confident, Mr. Zircon. Okay. Though so far this isn't that hard. Mr. Zircon. Oh. You could use a good murdering. Dang Snagglebeast.
Oh boy. Out of ammo.
It's okay. And then Mr. Zircon. I wonder if the Groovatron works on you. I love it so much. Look at him wiggle. Look at him wiggle. Dance, dance. That did not work very long. But it worked. And that makes me happy. It gave us enough time to hit it with the Pyrocitor, which is what we need.
Lost
Oh boy. Mr. Zircon. Oh, I need more Mr. Zircon ammo. Okay. Mr. Zircon got our back while we get ammo. Is that the end of Mr. Zircon? No, I got one more. Get him. Oh, jeez. Wow, that was so slow. I thought we were going to get a no-hit there. No Mr. Zircon. Hit him with the boogie. Yeah, look at him move. He's got the moves. Gonna fry you alive while you're dancing. Yeah, look at it. He's breakdancing. Get it. Let's go.
Initiate cranial implant.
That was awesome.
Subject appears to have a fondness for falling into lava.
More Mr. Zircon? Oh,
Let's boost the neurotransmitter.
how much has that gotten this? The Grouptron's basically gotten nothing.
We can add a few IQ points to this dimwit.
Did I get one now? No, sorry. I miss you, Mr. Zircon. Don't waste your time on me. You're already the voice inside my head. Mr. Zircon. You know, I'm having a good time. I like it. Oh, gee, get out of here. Zircon? Turns out I just had to sing Blink 182 to him. Here. Grouptron. Now we're gonna Pyrociter this dude, and he'll be dead before we know it. Get him, look at the moves! He's got the moves! He's got the moves! Look at him boogie! Oh my gosh. Oh, he's almost dead. Oh, no, I ran out of ammo. Group. And who wants to kill? We'll give it to the fusion grenade. I know that I know it doesn't seem that big, but when you kill it with something, you get the XP for. Oh, well, it's going to combustor. Like the XP will go to that weapon. There we go. Nice. Oh, we freed it.
I yield! I yield! Please, don't hurt me!
Tell us what you have.
Dude, he's
Tell
pooped.
us what you know about Drek's plan.
Whoa. Thanks. Yeah, what he said.
I can give you this info bot.
Oh, you watch this one, pal. I'm just gonna take 5.
It was.
Greetings, Blarg imbeciles. If you're watching this infobot, you've been selected for
Puppies
the
are out
beta
there.
trial of my latest invention, the XK-81 jetpack. Though initial testing had a few
Nice.
small setbacks, I'm happy to report that I worked out all of the kinks. Now you can use your XK-81 jetpack to traverse the skies, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground. The XK-81 jetpack. Come pick yours up at our base on Gaspar.
Dr. Nefarious is not responsible for death, dismemberment,
Holy
or
cow.
irreparable injury to your central nervous system.
Very good.
Captain, it's Ratchet. We just defeated the Snaggle Beast and found out what Drek is up to.
You did? But that's impressive.
Yeah, get out of here, Quark. You don't know anything. The Snagglebeast got hit by a boogie bomb. Which I can't blame it. It's some fire tunes. We can do that. Now we have to. Yep. We got a lot of ammo back. We'll be able to. Let's go back.
Hey, I bet the Rangers could use jetpacks. Should we head to Gaspar and see if we can get some?
I've always wanted one of those. If you can get one, Alars can build a few more for the Rangers. I hereby assign you the not at all deadly mission of acquiring one jetpack. Captain Quark must fly like a bird.
Captain Quark. You know, with all this technology, you'd think that they would have multiple jetpacks. Like, that would be something invented already. What else do we have to do on this planet? Oh, we can go... Oh yeah, we have to go to the outside. That's something that we have to do. And then the Blarg warship. I forget what weapon's in there. We're gonna get it though. Well, we'll do this first, and then I wonder how long we should make these episodes. Good luck, Clank. It's a Clank mission. Yeah, get it, Clank. Clank's got the moves. But yep, this is what this outside's a little different. Oh, okay, so it does have the puzzle elements to it. I wasn't sure if it was like a classic Ratchet run and gun, or we'd have to do this.
What is that?
What is that? I actually don't know.
How fortuitous. It is a Gadgetbot upgrade chip.
Huh. Okay, I can reprogram these guys.
Allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
Nice.
There, Clank.
I just picked up a new gadget.
Oh man, what'd you get? You know you have to share whatever you found.
I think I will save these for me. Thank you. But there is still a prototype device nearby.
Yeah.
I will collect it for you.
That's very considerate.
Oh, fine.
Clank, Ratchet, you can't use this. We're using it for our little Clank side quest. Clank is very necessary to do these things. He don't need you.
That was unfortunate.
That was. Hey. Oh, I have to change you into a bridge bot. Ta-da. The moves. Oh, we only have 5 health. Oh, Raritanium. That's 2 pieces. That's big. Get some massive upgrades. Let's keep moving. Oh, I missed. Hi. Oh, you're so happy. You're so happy to see us. I like it. I need to make another bridge bot. Well, shoot. Why didn't I just... Oh, I have to have 2 of them. Okay. I was about to say, why didn't I just make 1 bridge bot? But I have to do that. Get this guy. Change you to a power bot. Pop over here.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram
that.
these Gadgetbots.
Lets us inside. Puzzle solved.
Quite the puzzle.
What do we got going on here? Okay, jump bot. Smash bot. Yepsy daisy. So then we grab you. I don't know why this was anything difficult. You become a power bot. Chuck it. And we need the other guy. You get to become... Oh, didn't mean to throw you, sorry. You get to become also a power bot. We get to chuck that ass there. And now that that powers... I think this should just keep this door open. Now we grab you. You get thrown. Get there. Get thrown. And shabam! We did it! We beat all the puzzles! What is our reward?
There they are.
Oh, the Magna boots? Or are they hover boots? I don't know.
Come in, Ratchet. I just located a pair of Magna boots.
Magna boots.
Returning to your position now.
Awesome. I always wanted a pair of Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
Yup-a-rooney. We get to go back in.
Too puny to wear the Magna boots himself, Clank returned them to Ratchet.
Don't roast Clank. You know, it's a while we're here. Let's explore the warship, and then we'll call it an episode, because we'll have done a whole bunch this time. But I think the warship's like a one-way trip.
Database. We are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Drek's high-value few experiments.
Well, I'll give him this. He stays busy. Let's go see what he's been making.
Absolutely we will. Love it. Let us go see what he has been making.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
Okay. I have no ammo. I have one Mr. Zircon, but we might get more than one. Oh, nice. That's big. Okay. Okay, get ready. This is a pretty cool mission. Yeah, we come all the way down here. I'm trying to save my ammo because we're going to need it on the way back. Okay. Zircon. But I got all the Mr. Zircons in the world now. Okay. Good. Oh, wow. Give it. Alright, more Raritanium. Now when we take this, what is that? The Predator oh yeah, that's a necessary weapon.
Weapon removal detected. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
I forgot about this. Now we're not going to use it yet because it's better to use the Groovatron.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
Because Groovatron will just stop people in their tracks. Just like that.
This doesn't look good.
Yep, let him dance. Dance the dance of death.
Ship will self-destruct in 20 seconds.
Come on.
Yep.
Oh dear.
And there we go. See, that's how you do it. We had time to kill. And all those people got to experience death in their own way. And the Predator launcher is like a missile launcher. It is necessary for destruction. That's what I'm talking
Go to
about.
Planet Gaspar and find out what Dr. Nefarious is up to.
Alright, let's 15? I had a lot of Raritanium, my bad. Let's get this good. Good. So we got more ammo. Good. Mr. Zircon's obviously getting upgraded. That's not even a question. No, and no. No. Get that out of there. Good. Now we have 3 left? Let's see. Let's get the, we're pretty close. It's okay. We do that. And there we go. So, alright, so we've accomplished a lot. You know, we went to Planet Rilgar, got the hoverboard mission done. We did everything here in this planet, killing the little beast man. Pretty good round. I'll see you immediately after this.